and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we update you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Let's take a look at the headlines. Supreme Court criticizes Delhi government for not providing funds for judicial infrastructure development. Delhi High Court rejects Omar Abdullah's divorce plea, upholds trial court order. JNU implements stringent rules barring protests within 100 meters of academic building. Parliamentary Panel urges swift implementation of mobile video conferencing in high courts for remote access to justice. Bollywood actress Zareen Khan restricted from travelling abroad amidst cheating allegations. Now the headlines in detail. The Supreme Court has slammed the reckless approach of the Delhi government, failing to provide essential funds for the infrastructure development of the Delhi High Court and the district judiciary. The stern critique came from a bench headed by the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, and also comprising Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice Manoj Mishra. The bench questioned, what is happening? What is your government doing? You don't want to give any funds to the Delhi High Court. Further, the court emphasized on the urgency of the matter by asking for an approval to be given by Thursday, stating that it is a model high court where judges are undergoing training and there are no courtrooms. The CJI then directed the Chief Justice of the High Court to convene a meeting on the issue. Senior advocate Sham Dewan brought to the court's attention the challenges faced by prosecutors and judges, citing inadequate facilities in the High Court. The top court underscored the stark reality of the situation, noting that 813 judicial officers are functioning at the city's district judiciary currently, a number significantly below the sanctioned strength of 887. Moreover, there is a shortage of 118 courtrooms and residential quarters for judicial officers. Expressing dissatisfaction with the government of NCT of Delhi, the Apex Court issued a directive stating we find no reason or justification for the lackadaisical approach of GNCTD in meeting demands of the Delhi district judiciary. The Delhi High Court today dismissed the plea filed by former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir and National Conference leader Omar Abdullah, seeking a divorce from his estranged wife, Payal Abdullah. The decision was taken by a bench of Justice Sanjeev Sachdeva and Justice Vikas Mahajan, upholding the trial court's ruling from 2016, which also denied Omar's request for divorce. Omar alleges cruelty and desertion as the grounds of seeking a divorce, alleging he has been subjected to mistreatment by his wife. However, the High Court found no merit in his appeal, echoing the trial court's earlier verdict. The High Court held that allegations of cruelty were deemed vague and unacceptable, as Abdullah failed to substantiate any act, whether physical or mental, that could be construed as cruelty directed towards him. In a move that stirred controversy, Jawaharlal Nehru University has introduced a set of stringent rules outlined in the Chief Proctor Office Manual. According to the new guidelines, engaging in protests, putting up posters or staging dharna within a 100-meter radius of the academic building of the university will attract a fine of up to 20,000 rupees. Additionally, any act deemed anti-national may incur a fine of 10,000 rupees. The new rules come as a result of an incident that occurred in October this year, where anti-national slogans were scribbled on the building walls of the university. The administration then announced the setting up a committee to look into the repeated nature of such incidents on the campus. The new rules were strongly opposed by the JNU Students' Union, characterizing them as an attempt to suppress dissent on the campus. The student union calls for the immediate withdrawal of the Chief Proctor Manual, asserting that the measures outlined are an aim to curb the vibrant campus culture that has defined JNU for decades. In a recent development, the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Law and Personnel has advocated for the prompt implementation of mobile video conferencing facilities in high courts across India. Presently, only 2 high courts of the total 25 have adopted this innovative solution. This prompted the committee to emphasize on the need for its adoption in the remaining states. The Parliamentary Committee, in its 134th report, focusing on the functioning of virtual courts and court proceedings through video conferencing, highlighted the importance of facilitating remote access to justice, particularly for litigants residing in far-flung areas. The Department of Justice in the Union Law Ministry revealed that the concept of mobile video conferencing has been discussed with all the high courts. It also recommended that the same is adopted by the Telangana and Himachal Pradesh High Court, which can be a potential model for others to follow. The facility is currently in process of implementation in various high courts, including Calcutta, Guwahati, Manipur, Rajasthan and Sikkim. The proposal for allowing mobile video conferencing facility is also under consideration in the high courts of Allahabad, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Orissa. Bollywood actress Zareen Khan has been restricted from travelling abroad by a city court in Sialda, near Kolkata. The court has issued a directive to Zareen to seek prior permission of the court before travelling outside India in connection with a cheating case registered against her at the Narkeldanga police station. The court granted interim bail to Zareen until December 26th on a personal bond of Rs 30,000. The actress is also obligated to regularly appear before the court during the specified period. The case stems from an incident in 2018, alleging Khan of accepting an advance payment of approximately 12 lakh rupees to perform at a Durga Puja function in Kolkata. However, she failed to fulfill the commitment, leading the event organizers to file a case against the actress as well as her manager. Earlier in September this year, the court issued an arrest warrant against Zareen in the case, and the recent order intensified the restrictions upon her. Zareen has also been directed to attend every hearing until the conclusion of the case. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. And subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.